Okay, Massepoint fans, Nick Smith here. I just got a gift in from my friends at Elgato because it's Elgato week and they're releasing all kinds of cool stuff. So you probably already saw this one hit the airwaves, but let's go unbox it and see what's inside. Come on. PrompterXL. Doesn't get any cooler than this. Everything in these 4 little cartons here. Love that, from accessories on down. Okay, so those are all the parts. Now let's put it together and actually use the thing, because that's the cool part. I don't have a normal teleprompter going on. Mine is actually on a monitor mount, so let me show you. So this is the old one. I already took the monitor out of it, but you can see I've got it mounted on a swing arm so that I can get the most out of it. Let's get this thing out of there so we can get the new one in. All right, so those of you wondering at home, I actually used an L bracket to mount that right directly on the monitor mount. All right, the hood is on. Took a little work to get that mounted, but not bad. All right, one thing I gotta say for the Elgato team, I love the packaging and how they got everything mixed in here. And we've got genuine spare parts. Never bad to have. This kind of slides right out of here. Look at that, empty. Now we've got USB cable. Step-up ring, very important. Everything packaged. Ooh, very nice. Look at all those. I got step-ups for everything possible. This is good. I guess it's time to step it up. All right, because of the way I've got my mount, I got the bracket is a little higher probably than most people want, but I really love this bracket. Very clean, very easy to get on there. Good stuff. So let's get the camera on. And bang. There is my BS1H locked and ready to go. Okay, time for some glass. Ooh, so nice. Glass, done. All right, one of the things I got really excited about when I looked at the design specs for the XL was the ability to get rid of the fabric shroud and just clean up the back of mine, because I pull my camera out a lot, I might swap it, and so I really like the design of this. They got a great little back plate there that says, hey, if you don't want to do the big fabric, that's okay. This whole thing will fit just perfectly like so. All right, this next part is super satisfying. Watch this. So, no mount, just slide into place, and it snaps in. It's magnetic. Super easy, which means it'll tear down really fast. Boom, 15 minutes later, we're done. This thing is installed, ready to go. Now, before y'all on the internet start making fun of me and telling me, well, you installed things backwards, you didn't do it the right way. You know what? I like the way I did it. I did it without the manual because I like to figure things out. But in the end, it doesn't matter. It works. It's got so many different ways you can configure it, with the fabric, without the fabric, with the ring adapters. Yeah, you can see in mine, I didn't put the ring adapter in, and so I got a little bit of light leakage going on there, but that's all right. I really like how snappy it is. I like being able to put content on the screen and use my teleprompter for other things. It's just a Windows desktop for me at this point, or I can flip it and I can make it my teleprompter. So easy stuff. In fact, here, let's just hit the button in the software, go into Camera HUD, flip it to text, and there is the sample script that they've got set up for you. Very clean, very easy to use. So, yeah, for the money, this is a great little teleprompter. Well, and being that this is their XL model, it ain't little. Get one.